friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper, and friend, today we are going to learn how to uninstall extension in your Google Chrome browser. So keep watching. In this video I'm going to show you a very easy and simple steps to remove extension in your browser. So friend, first thing first, we are going to learn about what is extension. So friend, here you will see that these are the extensions which is available on the right hand top. Here you can see I have three types of extensions is available. First extension is taking a screenshot on recording browser. Okay, so by this way you can easily record video and take a screenshot of your browser or desktop. Second extension I have, which is here you can see that the second extension, which is image downloader. This extension is basically used for if you are surfing any website and you like any image or photos, you can easily download from any websites. Okay, so this extension is available here. Third extension actually I have, which is the dark mode reader. By this extension you can easily enable dark mode in your browser. So right now I have three extension. Basically extension is a mini app which can give you the many facilities to increase your productivity and make your work easy. But sometimes some extensions are not good, but they work like your browser going slow. So if you want to remove that type of extension from your browser, so this tutorial will help you. So for example, here we are going to remove this downloader image over here. Okay, how you can do that? First thing first, you are going to simply click on this three dot icon which is available over here, and then click on this extension. Okay, so here you can see that this manage extension option is available. You simply click on it. So here you will get this my extension page. Okay, so here you can see that I have many extensions available here. So I want to remove this extension here. Here you can do two things. One is you can enable this extension and disable this extension, and second method you can remove this extension. First we are going to learn how to enable and disable extension, right friend? Here you can see that this toggle button which is available here, you simply click on it. So what happened, your extension will disable. Here you can see that extension is disabled and no one can use it. If you are going to enable this extension, then you can see that this extension is showing over here. But you want to permanently delete this extension, then you can simply click on this remove button and you will get one pop-up box, and here you will get two options. One is the report and second is remove. If this type of extension is looking like virus or something, then you can easily report these things. And if this extension is not in use or making your browser heavy, then you can simply click on this remove button. So by this way you can easily remove your extension from your browser. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily remove your extension from your browser. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.